What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul, and it's that time again. It's time we check out like another EDC, but this time it's a little bit different because I actually have an organizer. So this right here in front of me is the Ekster Tech Organizer. They sent it out. It works in conjunction with the grid backpack. If you haven't seen that video, that's up here. But it works in conjunction with the grid backpack, the grid duffel bag, the camera cube, which is coming soon hopefully. I have got it, but I mean camera wise. I'm hoping to change my camera, but I'll keep you up to date on that. So you have all these little bits on the front here to help with the sort of what they call the grid organisation. Big Ekster logo in the centre right here, which is nice. It's a nice sort of, not hard shell, but it's like a medium, so it's not a soft shell, it's not a hard shell, but it's in the medium. But it's going to keep your tech nice and secure. You have these fantastic massive zippers, and yeah, feels great, looks great, and you get these little things on the end again, which helps with the grid style of things, because they can go onto the front of the duffel backpack and the front of the grid backpack if you don't want to carry them inside. That's what these little hooks in that at the back are also for. They sort of fit in. Everything is streamlined. I've got a lot in here. It's quite heavy. I do carry a lot in here because I've been staying out recently every single Monday night because I've took on a new role, and now I stay out every Monday night, so this comes in very handy. So let's take a look at what I keep in mind. So you can get this in the link in the description down below. There is also a discount code down there for all things Ekster. Anything you want, wallets, etc. There's a discount code down there for you guys to check out, but only for you guys. So let's go ahead and open this out. So there we go, it opens out like so, and then pops open just like this. In here I'll go for the centre, we'll work our way across and then come across to this side. So I've got my stainless steel Nomad pen. I absolutely adore this pen. One came with the passport holder as well. If you haven't seen that one, that's up there too. But this is absolutely fantastic pen. It may come in handy one day. You may think to yourself, oh, I don't need a pen, but believe me, when you need one, this thing is fantastic. And with it coming now with the passport holder as well, might be the perfect time for you to grab one. So that stays in the centre like so. So in this one right here, I have two cables with me. I have my iPad Pro black USB-C to USB-C cable, as it can charge almost most things that I actually own. So I keep it with me because it's so small and it's braided and it wraps up. It's absolutely tiny. So there's that one. And then this right here is by a company called Ugreen. While I've been in hotels, I've been using this to connect my iPad or the S24 Ultra to a TV. So a HDMI on this end and a USB-C on this end, but this is a braided cable from Ugreen. I've got a Ugreen travel case as well that I also take with me. That video's coming very shortly. Ugreen HDMI to USB-C cable, comes in clutch for your iPad and S24 Ultra, even your MacBook if you want to connect them to a TV. So there's them two cables there, they stay in this pocket. The pocket next to it, normally it would be for other cables, but I keep it for miscellaneous items. So I'll take them all out and show you what I keep in here. We have a couple of spare memory cards in case the need to film strikes while I'm in the hotel. Then I've got this. This is my Whoop charger, so this comes everywhere with me because I do wear a Whoop band. I haven't got nothing on at the moment. I took the Apple Watch and the Whoop band off, but I do wear a Whoop band, so it's currently, I think it's upstairs. It's all updated, it works perfectly, it's fantastic. I do recommend the Whoop. If you want one, I'll leave my referral link down below, and there will be a video coming with it soon, as I know we are due to get the 5.0 version coming soon. But there is my Whoop charging puck, and this is what charges the Whoop up, and you don't need to charge it all that much, to be honest, every couple of days, and it's perfectly fine. This right here is by Pataka, and I carry this with me so I can charge up my Apple Watch on the go. It's a USB-C adapter, sort of Apple Watch charger. This part right here that goes over the top is magnetic. It magnetizes to the bottom of it as well, so you'll never lose it. You can just place it on and place it on like so. And this is by Pataka, and this is what keeps my Apple Watch Ultra nice and juiced up while I'm out on the road in case I need it. And yeah, I've got the original Apple Watch Ultra at the minute, and battery life isn't that great right now. I think it's taken a big hit, so this comes in super handy. I can plug it into a wall adapter, plug it into the iPad, plug it into the MacBook and charge up, get a nice bit of juice in it, and then I've got it for the day ahead. So keep that one in that pocket right there. Now this can also change as well. This can also change up because it can be a bag for my filming gear, which I have in front of me. I'm currently using the Osmo Pocket 3 that I've been using since last year when it came out. I've also got the mics as well. I've been using this since it came out. This has been my main filming camera. It used to be the Sony ZV-E10. I sold that as I've still got my Sigma 16mm lens still sat here waiting for its new camera, but hopefully that'll come soon. But I am currently using the Osmo Pocket 3 to film all the YouTube videos you've seen, I think, for the last 4 months now. But anyway, I digress. So in this side right here, you got these little holders to keep everything in, and this is an old power bank, but it is I believe it was a sister company to Spigen called PowerArc, and you get 2 USB-Cs, one's for in and out, and it's got PD charging on it, and the other one, a standard USB end. It's actually a fast charging one, and I think this is about maybe 20 or 30,000 milliamp hours. I can't actually remember. I'm sure I've done a video on it. If I can find it, I'll leave it up here. I've done so many videos recently, but great power bank. This comes with me as well, and it does have its own like sort of carry bag in case I don't want to bring it in this extra bag, so I can put it in this. And it's by PowerArc. It just sits in this, but I do leave it in this now and again just so I can use it while I'm out on the road. So there's that, and then here is my AirPods Pro 2, and they're in the new Ekster Grid. This is the new case for the AirPods Pro. I keep them in the extra one. Everything is extra, as you can see. There's more extra stuff in this, believe me. On this right here, I've got the memory foam tips, and it's in the Ekster Grid case. But again, you can pick this up in the link in the description down below, and there's a bit of discount on there for you as well if you use my code. So just check that out. It's for the AirPods Pro 2. I'm sure they do other ones as well. You can probably fit the AirPods Pro original ones in this too. And then this right here is how I keep track of it. So this is the Galaxy Smart Tag 2 in the leather case that was sold by Samsung. I did do a short video on this, but it is the Smart Tag 2, so I can track it with my phone, etc., in case I lose it. And that is in the leather case that was done by Samsung, but it's not actually a Samsung product. It belongs to a company called Bootle, and it's designed for Samsung but sold by Samsung shop. So there's that. So that stays in there like that, and it can actually change. I could use an AirTag at one point, or I could use that. So inside this pocket right here, so it stretches out as you can see, and then sort of clips back shut. So in this one I've got my SSDs that I actually edit off, and they've got footage on all of these. So when I'm in the hotel, I can either use one or the other and get footage, or I can put my footage over to it so that I've got it and it's nice and protected. But we've got the T3, the T7 and the T9. So this is a 1TB T9. This is the brand new one, it's not long come out. This is the T7, this is 500 gig I think. No, it's a 1TB, and this is like 250 gig. I've been using this for years. This is the T3, the original one. It's got a MagSafe ring on the back, so I can connect it up to my iPhone or my Samsung, whatever I'm using, because this does have MagSafe on it, so I can connect it up like so. It sits on, I can plug it in, and I can record straight to the SSD, as I've been using my phones a lot recently too to film videos. So it does just show you, which I've got a video again coming soon. You can use whatever you have. You don't need the best equipment in the world to make a YouTube channel, but these are what I edit off. These are my Samsung SSDs, as I say, T3, T7, T9, no T5, but got a collection growing here. There's that. And then last but not least, inside this is my Ekster wallet. I was using the Parliament wallet, and I've switched over to the aluminium wallet. So it has this back on it right here. It has the loop on the front so you can put bills inside it, and then your cards just fan out like so. So you can have 6 cards in this and then 6 cards in the back. This is an RFID block and plate, so you don't need to worry about your cards. And then, as I say, if you need a card, flick it up, and it carries 6 without numbers on them, no like the embossed numbers. So there's that. So as you can see, it says Ekster right on the side of the wallet. It's a nice thin slim form wallet, and you got the bill holder on the front, but then you got the RFID blocker, and you can use Ekster's new tracking card, which I do have, but it's in the duffel bag right now. That's what I use to keep track of the duffel bag. But let me know what you think of that. There is discount on these wallets as well, again, if you use my code linked down below. But as I say, this can all change up. You know, I could switch out the PowerArc for a standard MagSafe battery. It can be for me filming gear, it can be for a phone, in case I want to put a phone in this. You know, I can put a phone in here, I can put a phone in this nice velvet padded pocket. I can switch this up to whatever I like, so it is just a proper organizer. So let me know what you think of the Tech Organizer in the comment section down below. Is this something you would consider picking up? Check out the link in the description down below, and obviously you can check the camera cube and all the backpacks that they do, and the standard duffel bag, and the weekender bag as well. The weekender bag, I want that bag so much. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and let me know what you'd put in your Ekster Tech Organizer. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. turn those notifications on. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.